Hello guys, this is Roman Tips. Today I show you how to make a 100% stacked array chart in Google Sheets. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me and show you how to do it. Alright. And first open Google Sheets and create new project or open your old project. And category and amount. Car, air, bike, beer and etc. Click on car and press shift your keyboard and click on this. Select all categories and amount and click on insert and click on chart. Chart type, click on this and scroll down and search 100% stacked array chart. Click on. Alright, and that's all. Or simple settings, customize, chart style, background, maximize on compare mode, and change font, chair axis, series, line color and red, area opacity and legend, horizontal axis and vertical axis. And that's all. Subscribe and give me a like if this video helps you, because your feedback helps me. Bye bye.